Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today we have a game wherein you have to shoot target through different obstacles. So basically initially you have to convert your object into a arrow, a pointed thing, and then you have to shoot it to convert it to hit it to the target. So before we start, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button as well. So let's start. So this game is basically a log thrower. So in this you get different objects, and wherein you have to sharpen your log in such a way so that it becomes exact pointed and it passes through various objects and hits the target. And on hitting the target you get various points, and after getting various points you have a area wherein you have to build a circus kind of thing, wherein you can add objects after you earn points from this log thrower, throwing this log. And then you get various objects, like you get trophy as well, you get pencil to sharpen it, and then you have to hit the target. So let's get to the mobile screen and see how we can play this game. So here's the app guys, log thrower, a game. So I have already downloaded, so let's just open the app. So basically it ranks number 2 in action in game section. So let's just open it. So I would suggest you to please switch off your mobile data or your Wi-Fi connection, because this app has many ads. So it is a free version, so it gives you many ads. So it gave me a free spin. So this free spin is basically, yes, I won 70 chips. So this free spin is for every 12 hours you get. So let's just close it. And so I have a boss level. Wow. So I have played it already. So I have to just tilt this and make it sharper in such a way that I have to hit the target. So as you can see this line, so this line should not be crossed when I make any object sharper. So yes, I have to hit now. So here is the power meter. I have to hit with maximum power so that the boss is destroyed. And yes, with the 3 hits the boss got destroyed. So I won 45 chips over here. And so as I told you, once I complete a specific level I have to go to a fair wherein I have to build it. So I won a boss trophy over here, and this is how my fair looks till now, what I have built. So let's just continue. And so I got an option to build, to plant a tree. So if I look, this is a normal tree, and if I go for this tree I have to watch an ad. So let's just go for normal tree. So I get an option to build. If I go for this I have to watch a video. After this I'll get this video, get this tree in free. So I'll just use a regular one, and yes, the trees are built as you can see, and continue. So no thanks, I have to watch a video to open this. So yes, this is, here we have a trophy. I have to make the trophy pointed to hit the target. So yes, so as I told you, it has to pass through various objects to hit the target. And yes, we got one key. So similar way I have to collect 3 keys and 9 stars to able to build a next object. So let's just hit here. So it's a series of games wherein you get to play various games. You have to build, you have to score points, and you have to watch some videos to earn some points. So this is for the second key. So as you move ahead, the number of objects increases in the way, and you have to make the objects properly powerful. So I have 110 stars till now. So I got an option to build a fence. So this is a regular fence and this is a fancy fence, so I would suggest a regular fence. And yes, so I have built third section in my fair. So yes, it is done. So I have one more object. So I don't know what this object is called. So it is a bonus level and I have to hit the target. Yes, I hit the target exactly. No, I was wrong. So yes, this is what the game is. You have to hit various targets and you have to win points to build a proper fair. So yes, that was it for today's app and that was it for today's game. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.